Hey lovies, what the Rudge is up fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Terry and I'm a Boston based YouTuber. I also do other things full-time. This is not my full-time job. As you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be walking you guys through my tiny closet makeover. If you've been on this channel for a while, you might have seen a tiny closet makeover that I did about a year ago. And I used a system off of Amazon to fit my closet, which is extremely small. And it literally broke about a week or two in. I had too much clothing, it was too heavy, and it just snapped and broke. And I've just been using a part of that system since then. I just wanted to take you through what I've done for my closet recently. I love the results. I was able to create some more space in the closet, including a second row, which has just been like giving me so much room to include more clothing without it looking too packed. As you can see, the closet before is very cluttered. That was a little part of the old system that you saw, the shelving, and there's just not a lot there. So the first step was to kind of obviously empty the closet. I really knew that I was gonna have to essentially gut this closet. So I went through, I took all the clothing out, I took the shoes and the old system and storages that I had in there. The next step was to remove the white shelving that was in the closet. It held all the clothing, but for what I wanted to do, I wanted to create more room for my dresses and for a second row of clothing to hang. So I would have to take that off the wall and raise it up like 4 or 5 inches in order to create that height for the second row of clothing. I got Mike to do that because it was really in the walls, and this is what it looks like without that shelving and all of the clothing. So good. So I moved on to the next step, which is to add peel and stick wallpaper. I definitely wanted something that caught the eye in the back of the closet, but I wanted it to look natural. I'm very happy with how this peel and stick wallpaper I got from Amazon looked on the back wall. One thing to note is that it needs to be on smooth surfaces, and the wall in my closet was really ridged, so I ended up peeling and sticking it onto the wall, but I also nailed the corners in with a hammer so that it wouldn't detach from the wall, because I did not have a smooth wall in there and I didn't want to do like a lot of construction in this closet. So here I am peeling the remainder of the wallpaper. I did not have enough wallpaper to actually complete the entire closet. So there is a little bit of a gap at the bottom where you can see the white wall, but the second row of clothing that I end up adding covers that. I did end up getting more of this peel and stick anyways. So the next thing to do is to assemble the little dresser that I found on Amazon to go in the closet. I thought that would be a really easy way to create space and additional storage. So I could put underwear, you know, my pajamas, loungewear in this little dresser in the closet, and just have some neat, organized space. As you can see, the dresser is assembled, and I had my fiance Mike put in the shelving into the wallpaper on the walls, and it's much higher. The assembly for this dresser was really, it was kind of a long process. I think it took like an hour and a half, but I'm so happy with that. The next step in this process was to add sticky motion detector lights. It is a very small and cramped closet, so this gives me the kind of light that I need to see all of the clothing that's in the closet. It's really nice. They work pretty well for the most part, and they haven't fallen off at all since I've had them, and I think that the closet has been done for about 2 or 3 weeks now. So this is what it's looking like so far. We have the new stuff in there. Mila is very interested. Let's see if she jumps up. Cool. And as you can see, the motion detector lights are also working. That way I can see everything in my closet, which is
going to be so nice. I'm going to put my shoes back up here. These won't house all of my shoes because I have too many, but my favorite ones will be up here.
The next step is to install the hanging rod. So the hanging rod I found on Amazon, and everything is linked below. And as you can see, it hangs from the existing shelf, and it has its own bar where you can hang additional clothing. And the bars are all adjustable, so it can fit wider closets and smaller closets. All that is left now is to get my clothing into the closet, get my shoes, get my clothes into the closet, fill the drawers, and you guys, the before and after is unreal. Before, my closet was tightly packed, totally disorganized. The clothing that was folded were on an open shelving system, so they kept slipping off and becoming unfolded and just looked a mess. The after is so much more organized and so much more pleasing to the eye. So yeah, that is the first part of the bedroom makeover, which is the closet makeover, and I'm so happy with the results. And I've been ordering things for the bedroom makeover. I ordered a bed. I have 2 new nightstands, a vanity, and I think that might be it so far. Oh, a new curtain rod and curtains on their way. I still need to do 2 wall sconces for the lights in our bedroom, and I also painted the whole bedroom. So if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the bedroom makeover videos. I'm really excited to get this bedroom looking just a little more grown up. This is a rental, but I do kind of have free range to make some changes. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful if you have a super small closet. Everything that I talked about in the video is linked in the description box below. So go ahead and look there for any of the links to the hanging rod system, the peel and stick wallpaper, or the dresser that I used inside the closet. It should all be linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.